Robert Lee Curbeam, Black Astronaut. Robert Lee Curbeam is a former NASA astronaut and captain in the United States Navy. He currently holds the record for the most spacewalks during a single spaceflight, accomplished during the STS-116 mission, when Curbeam completed 4 spacewalks. Curbeam graduated from Woodlawn High School in Baltimore County, Maryland in 1980. He earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Aerospace Engineering from the United States Naval Academy in 1984, a Master of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering from the Naval Postgraduate School in 1990, and a Master's degree in Astronautical Engineering from the Naval Postgraduate School in 1991. Curbeam was named Fighter Wing 1 Radar Intercept Officer of the Year in 1989 and received the U.S. Naval Test Pilot School Best Developmental Thesis Award, DT-2. Upon graduation from the U.S. Naval Academy, Curbeam commenced Naval Flight Officer training in 1984. In 1986, he reported to Fighter Squadron 11, VF-11, and made overseas deployments on board the aircraft carrier USS Forrestal. During his tour in VF-111, he also attended the Navy Fighter Weapons School. Upon graduation of the United States Naval Test Pilot School in December of 1991, he reported to the Strike Aircraft Test Directorate, where he was the project officer for the F-14A/B air-to-ground weapon separation program. In August of 1994, he returned to the U.S. Naval Academy as an instructor in the Weapons and Systems Engineering Department. Selected by NASA in December of 1994, Curbeam reported to the Johnson Space Center in March of 1995. After completing a year of training and evaluation, he was assigned to the Computer Support Branch in the Astronaut Office. He is a veteran of 3 spaceflights, STS-85 in 1997, STS-98 in 2001, and STS-116 in 2006, and has logged over 901 hours in space, including over 45 hours during 3 spacewalks. Between the first 2 flights, Curbeam was a spacecraft communicator, responsible for relaying all voice communication between mission control and crews aboard the space shuttle and the International Space Station. After his second flight, he also was the Capcom branch chief. The spacecraft communicator Capcom branch chief. During the spring of 2002, he was Deputy Associate Administrator for Safety and Mission Assurance at NASA's headquarters in Washington, D.C. STS-85, August 7th to the 19th of 1997, was a 12-day mission during which the crew deployed and retrieved the Krista Space payload, operated the Japanese Manipulator Flight Demonstration robotic arm, studied changes in the Earth's atmosphere, and tested technology destined for use on the future International Space Station. STS-98, February 7th to the 20th of 2001, continued the task of building and enhancing the International Space Station by delivering the U.S. laboratory module Destiny. The shuttle spent 7 days docked to the station while Destiny was attached. In helping to complete its assembly, Curbeam logged over 19 EVA hours in 3 spacewalks. STS-116, from December 9th to the 22nd of 2006, launched December 9th, 2006 at 8:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, was a mission to the International Space Station. The mission involved the installation of a new truss segment and the rewiring of the station's electrical system. During the mission, Curbeam was the EVA crew member for the record-breaking 4 spacewalks, 3 of which were conducted along with astronaut Christer Fuglesang from Sweden, and 1 along with astronaut Sunita Williams. On December 7, 2007, NASA announced that Curbeam had chosen to leave NASA after 13 years to pursue a job in the private sector. He presently works for Northrop Grumman Innovation Systems as the Senior Director of Business Development in Virginia. Having played lacrosse as a student athlete at the Naval Academy, Curbeam became an assistant coach for the boys lacrosse team at Clear Lake High School in Houston, Texas. In 2011, Curbeam led Clear Lake to the semifinal match of the Texas High School Lacrosse League South District Championship game. Citations are in the description.